Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about WalaKut Express. And if you're new here, this channel is for both crafters and retail sellers. So with that being said, everything we'll be going over today will be linked in the description below. So don't be afraid to check it out. For $32.50, I was able to get a 5-yard roll. So I got red, white, and navy blue. So the navy matte WalaKut Express has a bit of a matte finish. But the great thing about the WalaKut Express is it can be applied at 250 to 302 degrees. So it's designed for multi-layering and for thick cotton. And another good thing about it is you only got to press it for 5 seconds. So I figured I would definitely check it out. And the 5 seconds has to be even firm pressure. So it applies to 100% cotton, 100% polyester, and spandex. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing in the Cricut and cut. So the instructions for cutting on the Cricut will be normal iron on. So I just use normal vinyl. That works for me. All right, y'all. Let's see how it weaves. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to turn the heat press on. So we're gonna turn it on to 302 degrees. And because I ain't got a lot of time and you ain't got a lot of time, I'm gonna heat it up. Already up here now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my t-shirt a pre-press. So now I'm grabbing my image, and I'm also grabbing my t-shirt ruler, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it together. Say this again. I'm gonna say it again one more time. Firm pressure. So make sure it's nice and firm. Only 5 seconds. Yo, since you made it to the end of the video, if you like the video, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Don't be afraid to subscribe if you haven't. And check out the affiliate links below. You know? I'm out. Hit flames on these.